Yes, today I am very sorry. In fact, we are very sorry. We don't have comedy video for you. All we have is stand-up comedy by MC Giddy. Giddy is going to crack you and make you laugh. So sit tight and watch Giddy performance as Laughter Cause. Nikalaba. Sit tight. Giddy, come and crack you.
Okay. Let me not say never talk and they laugh. I be my face get that today, make una tell me abi. Anna, you know say I don't dey like this our Calabar musician, especially this guy wey just before finish, the first guy wey before finish. Our Calabar musician, everything wey they talk na true, everything wey they see na true. You no go see how they dey lie. But all these are celebrity now, they too dey lie. See person like Davido, he say give woman 30 billion. For Calabar nowadays, if man give woman 2.5 to go platinum, he go sit down for house dey cry. Don't be even that one vex me. The one wey vex me na Timaya. He say I travel to America just to go charge food. He mean say Timaya no get even power bank for house or even generator. Timaya no get. Even the plane wey they no fit plug phone dey until he reach the America before he charge him phone. The one wey don provoke me pass na Olamide. He say na pounds and dollar in and the guy dey take shower. How person go use money baff? I don dey observe for him video smell dey come back up. No wonder Pino shout Jesus. Which kind lie? I go use money dey baff. For Calabar South, if soap no dey, we don use clean or omo baff dey comot. Na person go use soap dey baff. And now, Rekalobanti say because say na celebrity, say if he waka just meet woman, just check and go accept am for way, he just waka go meet woman, now he begin dey check am. He say as he just meet the girl final, he package, he just look am. He say girl, I have a question to ask you today. The girl still dey look am. He say will you marry me because I met you today? Now the girl provoke. He tell am you don't know my father or my mother. Can you pay my bed price is just $1 million? Now you come the day is your JJ. Take it go now. And I know say as I don't look me for head to toe, one part of my body dey different from the rest. Now my head don do so dey sometimes dey think whether I fit don cut am comot. I say the first thing they want me for hospital, now they say make my uncle and girlfriend and papa make they come look me. As my mama comot me give for bed, now doctor just everybody just come inside one by one. As my uncle face too big, he see me, my head big pass the bed, what bed. Now my uncle just shout, this guy head I never see you. My pressure the eye calm me down, what? The only girlfriend, my girl hold on to me, yo. Never ever leave me for clash, yo. This head they make me shape out. With this head I go get wahala. The kind of girlfriend go. Now they say let my papa come. And my papa don't chook his night run go start for window. Tell my mama, mine oh. Wow. This guy here never see you. And people where they plan to travel, and they know wetin you buy chop for inside bus, make you no go embarrass yourself. And then bus one day say make I travel, now cause you know just dey buy things, make I impress the person wey sit down near me. Now come the order, kuli 50, bring am, moi 30, bring am, beans 9 plates, bring am, yam 3 plates. Now order, the thing go provoke me, so I never expect for my life. As we dey go for road, now they say armed robbers dey attack everywhere. Make everybody just bend down in case of bullet. My brother, as I bend down, I don't know say the guy wey sit down near me don carry head come put for my yash. As armed robber dey shoot, pusa, and they release give am. Armed robber dey shoot, pusa, and they release give am. As armed robber shoot the last time, pusa, now give am. Now the guy provoke. He say wetin? I dey hear this. I mean, don't want talk, but the God they like this, I don't talk. They put the feet don't kill me, but your men speak kill me. I'm not my day they shoot. You day they shoot. Tell me I go know the ribbon.
That was wonderful. Don't wait for me to tell you to invite us for your event. Book us for any kind of event with that number shown on your screen. We will come and grab you for you. Any kind of event. Except say burial, you don't want to come to your burial, and don't even plan to die. You are not going to die. You invite us to come to your birthday, your wedding, and other event shows. But subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to watch us every Monday and on Friday.